I've got a question for my Azure developer friends. What's your preferred way to build and deploy your AI machine learning models? If you didn't say by using Azure AI Studio, then this AI trend is for you. Before we examine this new tool dashboard, let's talk about why it exists. Microsoft believes that AI done correctly can enhance every task. They are incorporating AI into applications via a Copilot plugin. Copilot is a term for an AI powered tool that works alongside you to help you with various tasks and projects. These copilots can understand natural language commands and prompts and generate content, suggestions, insights, and actions based on your data and context. Copilots can help you improve your writing, build reports, and analyze data, and even help you write code. Microsoft wants other companies to build their own AI-powered copilots by utilizing tools available on Azure and leveraging machine learning models provided by its close partner, OpenAI. Cloud providers like Azure offer various machine learning services. Think of Azure AI Studio as a dashboard for the Azure machine learning tools. It provides a graphical interface that allows developers to drag and drop modules to create machine learning pipelines without writing any code. It also supports generative AI models such as OpenAI's GPT-4 that can create natural language and image content from data. It's a low-code workflow that can replace the normal tedious process. Building and deploying machine learning models can be challenging and time-consuming for developers. We need to write code, pre-process data, choose algorithms, and train the models. We use and test the models, evaluate the results, refine the models again and again, reiterating until the models meet our criteria bar. Then we need to deploy models to production and deal with issues such as scalability, security, and governance. Because AI Studio is part of Azure, it's possible to integrate the models with other Azure services, such as Azure Cognitive Search and Azure Cognitive Services. That's enough background. Let's talk about what is available in Azure AI Studio. I'll talk about a few features: data ingestion, model catalogs, prompt engineering with Microsoft Prompt Flow, and ensuring a safe user experience using Azure AI Content Safety. Developers can easily harness both structured and unstructured data and incorporate them into AI models with just a few clicks. This data can then be utilized to ground the models. If you are unfamiliar with the term grounding, it refers to the process of training and linking the model to relevant data or information. This process involves providing the AI model with a solid foundation of knowledge, context, or reference points that enable it to comprehend and appropriately respond to user inputs or queries. Therefore, by simply clicking a few buttons in AI Studio, you can ensure that the AI model is equipped with the necessary information and context to generate accurate and meaningful responses or take appropriate actions based on the input it receives. Another benefit is easy access to model catalogs. In the realm of AI, a model catalog refers to a curated collection or repository of pre-trained models that developers can employ in their projects. These models are typically designed to perform a specific task or address specific problems, such as natural language processing, image recognition, or recommendation systems. Within Azure AI Studio, it is easy to establish a catalog of such pre-trained models sourced from industry standard providers and open source tools. This includes utilizing the Azure OpenAI service in the catalogs. Getting a beneficial result from an AI chatbot relies on how you ask for the information. In other words, how you prompt the bot. A prompt in AI is a set of instructions given to an AI model that is used to generate a specific output. A prompt can be a statement, a question, a block of code, or a string of words. The prompt should be clear and precise so that the AI model can understand what the user wants and produce a relevant and accurate response. Making this work for the customer is not easy. It involves prompt engineering. Microsoft Prompt Flow, which is part of AI Studio, helps with prompt engineering by making it easier and faster to create and test prompts. You can use Prompt Flow to connect different AI models and data sources and see how they work together. You can also use prompt flow to compare different prompts and see which one gives you the best results. Prompt flow helps you make better AI applications with less effort. Prompt flow works with Foundation, internally developed or open source models, and uses popular open source tools such as LangChain and Semantic Kernel. Finally, let's discuss customer safety. Azure AI Content Safety is an Azure AI service that helps to create secure online spaces. It can detect harmful user generated and AI generated content in applications and services, such as hateful, violent, sexual, and self harm content in images and text. You get the same powerful safety services that Microsoft uses for Bing Chat and other products. Because it is integrated into AI Studio, it is easier for you to test and evaluate the safety of your AI deployments. AI is changing the development landscape. If you are a Microsoft developer, I think you will like Azure AI Studio. To summarize, Azure AI Studio is a cloud based service that makes it easy for developers of all skill levels to build AI applications. It provides a single place to do everything you need to build an AI application, including loading data from a variety of sources, training a model, and deploying the model to production.